I'm going to show you how to fix can't delete Safari history on iPhone. So let's say, for example, let's go to our settings and let's go down to the very bottom where it says apps. And then let's go ahead and type in Safari so it comes up here. And you want to go down and you want to go ahead and scroll all the way to the bottom and where it says clear history and website data. As you see, I can't actually click on it, but there is a way to turn this back on. So let's back out of here and let's go to the original settings page here. And what you want to do is go down to where it says screen time and then go down to content and privacy restrictions and very quickly just go ahead and toggle this off. Go ahead and enter a passcode if you need to. And then from here, we can go ahead and back out of here. Go back down to the apps area on the original settings page here. And then go ahead and type in Safari. And then scroll down to the bottom once again. And there it is. It is now not blurred out. We can go ahead and click clear history and website data. So then from here, you can obviously have different profiles and then different time frames. I'm just going to do, I don't know, I guess today for the time frame, and you can go ahead and hit clear history. And then that's it. It's super simple and super easy to go ahead and make sure that your phone is capable to delete that Safari history on your iPhone. And that's it.